Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you my barangay document request system. This system will make it faster and easier to request important documents like barangay clearance, certificate of indigency, and CEDOLA. Right now, the manual process can cause long waits and extra work for everyone. My new system solves this by making the process simple, quick, and efficient for both resident and staff. In this presentation, I explain how the system works and its benefits and show you a quick demo for it. So here I created a database in my system. So the first one is citizen. Uh, I created three tables. So here the citizen table. So there are four I've created. So the CID is the primary key for citizen ID. AF name is for citizen first name and AL name is for citizen last name and AL name. Email is for citizen email. So here the second table is documents. So the ID for documents ID. Um, Same with the citizen. This is primary key the ID citizen ID, and this is the documents ID is primary key. So there are three types of it. So the second one is documents type, and the third one is document price. So in my third table is here the DRD is the first one is DRD, so documents request ID. This is the primary key. So the second one is DID from documents from here, the primary key of here. So I transfer it to here, so it will be a foreign key and same as the CID. So documents request date, documents requested due of documents requested status, document requested quantity, document requested cash, and document requested change. That's for my database. Hi everyone, this is my system, my barangay document request system. So this I explain to you how to use my system. So welcome to barangay documents request app. So let's say here, so in the first place we need to add citizen. So okay, add citizen one. Then let's say I put we're gonna put so Mike Bustamante, Mike Guapo, Bustamante lang. Email, so Mike at gmail.com. So here na-add siya, so number 6 siya, so 6 Mike Bustamante, Mike at gmail.com. So continue, yes. So view, mura gyapon ni makita sa view. So 3 to update. Then 6 yes, boom. So Mike dili siya Mike Jan, Mike lang Jan, Mike so Mike Jan, so Mike Jan Bustamante, same lagi ako Mike at gmail.com. So yun, nausap siya. So yes. So for delete, okay, delete. So mamili ko kasi delete. So di lang ako i-delete si Mike dyan. For example na siya, so walang i-delete si Mark J. So 5. So wala na sa Mark J. Automatically siya makita. So yes. Then exit. Then yes. And here, so mag-add na kong documents. So add documents. 1 ang document. So which type? So Sidula. And this ID. Documents type price. So Sidula, price of Sidula is 20, barangay clearance 30, indigency 40. So na redundant raman ni, so mao na tong i-delete on niya. So yes. If view parehara makita. Date. So 6. Napulis lang siya indigency. Okay. Nasa siya. Yes. Delete. So ako i-delete ang 6 kaya na-redundant na lagi. So more ni. So yes. Then 5. That's it. No. So here, document requested. So in the document requested is I add document requested. So 1. Then Mike John. So diri makita nimo si Mike John, like ninyo og Jericho. Arita ni Mike John. Kay mao man atong gi-create kaniya. 66 na. 6. So here is 1, magkuha ko unsa nga document type ang iyang kuhaon, Sidula ba, barangay clearance or indigency. So let's say barangay clearance 2. So here makita pila ka book ang imong kuhaon ay kuhaon ni Mike Jan nga barangay clearance. So let's say iyang kuhaon nako lang. So total due is 300. So nihatag siya og 500. Yeah, are makita niya ang postangante barangay clearance 300, 500 niya ang change niya 100. So yes. Then view same ragyapon. Yes. 3 update. Patay update kaning 6. Wala man yung shoot. So update status. Then ato i-deny lang siya. Kaya wala naman. Here na deny na siya. Yes. Delete. So delete. Ato to i-delete siya sa number 6. Bang. Here yung delete. Yes. Wala na. Wala siya. Yes na sad. So 5 to exit. Okay, no. Here is for record. So for the record, ato na ko lang si general report. Kaya ang general report is the ang tanan nga ni kuha og barangay documents, mga documents. So here mo ni makita si Jericho, si Clyde ikaduha siya ni kuha og si Mike John. So yes lang, yes. So for specific, so ako lang ikuan ani example kasi Clyde ninyo. Kay ako ni gituyo si Clyde ninyo nga denied og approved. So 3. So here makita nimo ang documents type, request date, quantity, cash, status of due. So here ang yang gikuha kay duha ka indigency, same quantity, cash and lahi, and status denied of approved. Then here's the due is 400 and 400. So here mong na denied siya kay 300 naman niya gibayad, then ang bayaran niya kay 400. So gi-denied siya. So dire kay 450 ang gihatag, then na-approve siya kay 400 naman niya due. So here makita nimo nga total due. And also ang makita dire kay ang approve only. So kina-deny naman siya, no need na siya i-add dire nga makita nimo ang cash ug ang approve. So yes, that's all. Thank you. So 3 and 5 to exit. Exited, yes. And that's all what I've created.